Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Bertha. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this New Year's Eve starry-eyed look. So if you want to know how I did this, then keep on watching. So I went ahead and I did my brows before getting started, and I just used my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil and just concealed around my eyebrows using my Tarte Shape Tape. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my NYX primer and I'm going to prime my eyes. Now I'm going to set my eyeshadow primer using my Coty Airspun powder. And this is just, I'm just using a eyeshadow brush for that. Now that my eyes are all primed and set, I'm going to be going into my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be using this color right here. And I'm going to take that right in my crease using a fluffy brush. Next, I'm going to take this black on a small C brush, and I'm going to really saturate my brush with it. And I'm going to put this all over my lid. And I'm using patting motions and not swiping motions, otherwise there'll be a lot of fallout. I look super emo, like, take me back to 2011. Alright, now that we're back in our emo days, we're going to take that same C brush and wipe it off, and we're going to use this brush to blend the transition color and the black shade together. Now that that's smoked out a little bit, I'm going to go in with this blending brush, and I'm going to go in with that same color that I used as the transition shade, and I'm going to blend it out a little bit right at the top. And now using a clean fluffy brush, I am going to blend out and make sure there are no harsh lines. Now using a larger C brush, I'm going to go into this dark blue color right here. All right, now I'm going to take my C brush and I'm going to pat the color right in the middle of my lid. Next, I'm taking my NYX glitter primer and I'm going to saturate this small flat brush with the primer. And the glitter I'm using today is the NYX Glitter Brilliance, and this is in crystal. Next, I'm taking this glitter and I'm going to put it in the middle of my lid. Next, I'm going to take this small rounded brush and I'm going to kind of sweep the glitter out a little bit. Once you have the glitter blended out, that's the look for now. And I'm going to go ahead and pop on some falsies, so I'll be right back. These are the falsies I'm using. They're Corset by Kiss. Now that we have our lashes on, let's move on to our face. And I'm going in with my Benefit Professionals primer. And the foundation I'm going to be using today is my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm going in with a flat kabuki brush. So I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to conceal under my eyes and some other place I feel like need concealing. Not just concealing, but also brightening up. Now I'm going to take my Coty Airspun powder and just bake under my eyes. While that's setting, I'm going to take this fluffy brush and I'm going to bronze my face using my NYX bronzing powder. Now I'm going to take this big fluffy brush and I'm going to wipe off my bake. Next, I'm going to take this angled fluffy brush and I'm going to go in with my Milani blush in Tea Rose. Now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder and I'm just going to highlight all over my face. For lips today, I'm going to go in with my Hard Candy Plumping Lip Gloss, and this is in shade number 1387. Now I'm going to be setting my face with my MAC Fix Plus. Alright you guys, this is it for this New Year's Eve look. If you like this look, please leave this video a thumbs up, and please leave a comment down below telling me what you liked about this look. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.